welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to see your face again. If it's your first time here, my name is Ariel, and this is where we do a little bit of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today we going with another beautiful one. You all know how much I love my waist. So Alice hair has done it again. So Alice has done it again, and this time let's see how they're gonna impress us. So y'all know the details already. We know what comes in. You have the bag for sure, that's not new. You got your hair, okay, then your HD cap, lashes for those who want to practice. We have lashes for you. You have your edge brush, pretty nice, different from your regular edge brush. Okay, this is upgraded, premium. You know, this is premium. We're talking about upgraded edge brush. Headband, I think I got too many of them now. And the body, you know, I think what I love most is the body. So comfy. So, but this is not what we're here for. Let's get into the main course. So this is what we got. Okay. How many inches is that? Okay, so we're talking 22 inches.
So 22 inches water wave for sure, you can tell. Then 180 density, that's what we have going on.
Pre-cut. Right out of the box, you have your pre-cut lace right there. So it is pre-cut for you already. Pre-pluck edges. You got your pre-pluck. So you got pre-cut, pre-pluck. Lace is bleached for you already. You have your grape. So you have a headband that is adjustable and removable. This is a dummy cap, literally. But we're getting into fall, so it's getting cold, so you need something to protect your hair. So we got that. My whole point is, how big is this lace? So we're talking 9 by 5. So 9 by 5. So this is what we got. So it comes all the way to the side. Then you have this deep part here that you can use. So it is really deep. So we are at 9 by 5. How big it is? I think my whole forehead is gonna be covered. This. I love my head. Okay, so I start with just add a little bit of powder to the cap itself. I'm gonna put this on without putting anything on it, and let's see what it looks like first. Okay, so that is what we got. Lace is literally gone. So it's there, as you can see, it's right there, but it's pretty much invisible. So that's what we got. Just like I said, the lace is already pre-bleached for you. So right there. And this time we have it all the way there. So up, this is lace all the way here, and that's where you get your 9 from. So I like it, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of powder.
She's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better than that. like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while.
Still haven't glowing, but I was able to put my hair in ponytail, which, oof. Feel free to do whatever you want to do with it. It has a grip, hold on to your head, just make sure you don't go fight, because if you're fighting, then you know what I'm talking about. So perfect for ladies. This type of hair is what you need every day, party day, weekend, work, whatever event that you have going on. If it's a birthday, graduation, wedding, clubbing, whatever, ALYSSE always have a hair that match every occasion. So okay, love, this is the final look. I put it in a ponytail because that was the goal. Actually, I wanted it in a ponytail. I wanted a hair that I can put in a ponytail because I don't want to be like fixing my hair all the time, so I'd rather have it in a ponytail. And that's what I did right now. This is what it looks like. Really clean. So that's what I got. Don't forget to check it out. ALYSSE have a hair that match every single occasion that you're looking for. Don't forget to use Ariel 20 to get 20% off. Like, comment, share, forward it to your friend, and let the fun continue. I'll see you next Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.